Let's solve one more problem. Look at this particular problem. You have matrix A and B. Compute 3A minus 5B. Guys, it's a very direct and very simple problem. Okay, now I want you guys to pause the video and please solve this particular problem by your own. Okay, then verify what is the final answer. Okay, now let me solve this one. So you have A and you have B. Now 3A minus 5B. Correct. So you have 3A. So first multiply. So you have 3A is equal to. Now remember, when you multiply it by a scalar, every term or every element of the matrix gets multiplied by the scalar, isn't it? So 3 into this becomes 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. This is 5A. Sorry, this is 3A. Then you have to do 5B. So when you do 5B, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. Guys, when you subtract, that is when you do 3A minus 5B, see the value? Don't you think both of them are one and the same? They are equal matrices. That means you are going to get 0, 0, 0. So all the elements are 0. Basically what you have is a null matrix or a 0 matrix. Okay, very simple. So this is the answer for the given question. Look at these three questions. Okay, it's slightly different from what you did before. See here, x plus y is given and x minus y is given. You basically have to calculate x and y. Okay, in all of these things. Okay, all the three questions. Now solve this. It's like, linear equations in two variables. We are going to solve it in the same way. So here, see, the first thing what you have x plus y is equal to 7025. X minus y is equal to 3003. Guys, add both the equations. See, if you add both the equations, y and y gets cancelled, so you'll get 2x, right? So what you're going to get? You're going to get 2x is equal to, when you add both the matrices, then you'll get 10, 0, 2, 8. Divided by 2 to get the value of x. So x is equal to 5, 0, 1, 4. This is the value of x. Now substitute this in any one of the equations. So you have two equations, x plus y and x minus y. Substitute this x value in any one of the equations. Fair enough? So let's substitute this one and let's try to figure it out. Suppose if I substitute this in the first equation, so you will have x plus y is equal to 7025, 5014 plus y is equal to 7025. It's just normal subtraction now. Okay, now if you normally do subtraction, you'll get y value is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2, 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So what do you get? You get the two values. So the first value is this, the x value is going to be this one, and the y value is going to be this one. This is the value of y. You got the value of x and y. Okay, now let's do the second question. Second question is also based on this x plus y itself. Okay, let's do the second one now. See, in the second one, you have 2x plus 3y as one matrix, 3x plus 2y as another matrix. Again, linear equation. So what I'll do before we move on into doing this problem, let's simplify this a little bit. Okay, now there are two ways, actually there are multiple ways of doing this. Okay, so one of the ways of doing this one, so what I'll do, I'll call it as 2x plus 3y, this is the second one, no, is equal to, say, some variable, let's say k. K is the first matrix. 3x plus 2y is equal to, say, L. L is the second matrix. Now I'll multiply the first equation by 3 Okay, first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2. So in the first equation you are going to have 6x plus 9y is equal to 3k, then 6x plus 4y is equal to 2l. Now subtract on both the sides. See, if you subtract, 6x and 6x gets cancelled. 9 minus 4 is 5. So you are going to get 5y is equal to 3k minus 2l. Now we'll substitute the value of that k and l. Okay. So, or you can say y is equal to 1 by 5 of 3 into k is the first matrix, right? First matrix is what? 2, 3, 4, 0. So 3 times 2, 3, 4, 0. So you are going to get 3 into 2. So first matrix. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 0, 0. This is 3k minus 2 times of L. L value is what? 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 minus 2 and then 10. So you are going to have a value like this. Now what do we do? Subtract. So y value becomes 1 by 5. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 plus 4, 13. 12 plus 2, 14. 0 minus 10 is minus 10. See, what do you get? You get the value of y now. So this is going to be the value of y. Correct? Guys, you need to substitute this in one of the equations to get the value of x. So let's substitute. Maybe I can take the first equation itself. I mean, makes no difference anyway. Let's substitute the value of y in the first equation and figure it out. Substituting in the first equation, see, you have 2x plus 3y, correct? So 3 into 1 by 5 or 3 by 5 into 2, 13, 14 minus 10. This is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. Fair enough? So 2x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 3 by 5 times 2, 13, 14 minus 10. Okay, now there are two ways of solving this. One is you can take the LCM. Okay, LCM is the easiest way and you can just solve it directly. Okay, so if you are taking the LCM method, so then you are going to have 2x is equal to 5 into 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 3 into 2, 13, 14 minus 10. Okay, the whole thing divided by 5. The whole thing divided by 5. So what you can do is you can take the 5 to LHS here. Easier to do. 10x is equal to 10, 15, 20, 0 minus 6, 39, 42 minus 30. So 10x is equal to 4, then 15 minus 39. This is going to give you minus 24. Then 20 minus this minus 22. Then 30. So x value is equal to 1 by 10 of 4 minus 24 minus 22 and 30. Okay, so this is going to be the value of x. So we got both the value of y as well as x. Got it? Now let's do the third question. See the third one. You have 2x plus y, correct? So for the third one, you have 2x plus y value is what? 3, 2, 1, 4 is equal to 1, 0 minus 3, 2. Correct? Now 2x is equal to subtracting 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, 4. Subtracting. So you are going to have 2x is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2, then again minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. Divide everything, so you get the value of x is equal to 1 by 2 of the whole thing, correct? So when you do 1 by 2, you can divide by every element you have to divide. So x value becomes minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. Or you can take the minus sign outside and also you can write, or you can write it this way. This is going to be the final answer for the third question. Okay, in the next one, I'll show you a problem which is very, very, very important and something which is very common in the final exam. Fair enough? So in the next video, you will see that type of problem. It's a proving sum. You guys will see that in the next video.